Anika Kinkabwala. I work for A&P Infotech, and I'm a principal scientist there, and I lead our research team. And we study how to use bacteriophage, little guys, to control bacterial illnesses in agriculture. And our first product is the one we're trialing today, called Xylif-IPD. Now, what is this alien creature? So this is a virus, but it's a virus that only attacks bacteria. So it's nothing like human viruses. What a virus does when it attacks a cell, in this case, a bacterial cell, is it uses its tail fibers and legs to seek out its prey, because it will only target certain bacteria. It will only target a very narrow range of very similar bacteria. And when it finds its prey, it latches on, and it's basically a bag of DNA or RNA that it shoots into the bacterial cell, and it hijacks the bacteria, turning it into a manufacturing plant for more bacteriophage. The poor bacterial cell will make up to hundreds of these new ones, and then burst open and release them to go find new prey, killing the bacterial cell. So you can see that these are great because they're very targeted, and you can both kill and amplify the phage of interest when it finds something it wants to eat. And the targeting, I think, is really interesting because our other tools to fight bacterial diseases, the main one is antibiotics. But nobody wants to put a ton of antibiotics in agriculture because they obliterate the microbiome and they kill things non-specifically. But these are very targeted, precise tools to take out just your infection and leave the rest of your microbiome in peace. So Xylif-IPD is composed of bacteriophage for Xylella fastidiosa. And the product was developed with the first bacteriophage ever discovered for Xylella fastidiosa. Bacteriophage have been known for 100 years, and we've studied them for a long time, but nobody had found ones that could target this particular path. So it's comprised of a cocktail, different types of bacteriophage are put together into the cocktail and were formulated. So the original work was done with Texas A&M, and they discovered it, and we formed the company A&P Infotech to commercialize the product. So bacteriophage are organic. There's been no genetic modifications of these, and this is labeled as an organic product. They're OMRI certified. But as Akif has told us, you need to be able to apply these directly to the xylem because that's where the bacteria hide. So not only did we have to find the bacteriophage, we developed a system to deliver them into the xylem directly. Do we want to, maybe I'll pull that out in a little bit
Sure.
when we go into the field in a bit.
That's good.
So I'll talk just about this here. But we'll talk in a minute about the Xyloject, which is the first injection system created to inject a product into a grapevine. So this product, this is also a biocontrol product, but this one is the one that's commercially available. So it's in the same class as the other things we'll talk about today. Yeah, and so we have some more materials educational materials if anybody's interested to learn more about this.